USA with NPM 264111103. Today I will present my third topic entitled Interdependence and the Gains from Trade. In today's world, no individual and no country can produce everything they need. Di dunia saat ini, tidak ada individu maupun negara yang bisa menghasilkan semua kebutuhan mereka sendiri. Kita bergantung pada orang lain untuk makanan, pakaian, teknologi, transportasi, dan berbagai produk lainnya. In this presentation, I will explain what is interdependent is, why trade is important, the concept of comparative advantage, and how trade benefit individual, business, and countries. What is interdependence? Interdependence means that people, business, and countries depend on each other to produce goods and service. Artinya, manusia, perusahaan, dan negara saling bergantung untuk menghasilkan barang dan jasa. Instead of producing everything by themselves, they special in certain produce and trade with others. Contohnya, petani menghasilkan beras, pembuat roti menghasilkan roti, dan penjahit membuat pakaian. Mereka melakukan pertukaran karena lebih efisien dibanding harus membuat semuanya sendiri. The same idea applies to countries. Indonesia export products such as palm oil, coffee, and rubber, while importing machine, electronic devices, and medical equipment. Hal ini menunjukkan bahwa perdagangan menghubungkan perekonomian di seluruh dunia. Why do people trade? People trade because everyone has different skill, research, and ability. Setiap orang atau negara memiliki kemampuan dan sumber daya yang berbeda. Some regions have fertile land, while others have advanced technology or skilled workers. Perdagangan membuat setiap pihak dapat fokus pada suatu yang mereka kuasai dan mendapatkan produk lain melalui pertukaran. Without trade, people will have to produce everything themselves. Hal tersebut akan sulit, mahal, dan tidak efisien. Trade improve efficiently and increase the variety of goods and service. Specialization means focus on producing a product or service that someone can produce most efficiently. Spesialisasi berarti seseorang atau negara fokus menghasilkan sesuatu yang paling mereka kuasai. When people specialize, they become more productivity because they gain experience and improve their skill. Contohnya, dalam tugas kelompok, satu mahasiswa lebih ahli membuat desain, sedangkan mahasiswa lain lebih baik dalam presentasi. Daripada mengerjakan semua hal sendiri, mereka membagi tugas dengan kemampuannya masing-masing. As a result, the project can be complete faster and with better quality. Comparative advantage. One important concept in economy is comparative advantage. Comparative advantage means producing a good with a lower opportunity cost compared to others. Artinya, seseorang atau negara menghasilkan suatu barang dengan pengorbanan yang lebih kecil dibandingkan pihak lain. Even one country is better at producing everything, trade can still benefit both countries. For example, Indonesia and Japan. Indonesia has abundant natural resources and suitable conditions for agriculture. Japan has advanced technology and skilled engineers. Indonesia can focus on agricultural product, while Japan focus on technology and automobile. Through trade, both countries can get productivity more efficiently. This is why comparative advantage creates mutual benefit. Absolute advantage versus comparative advantage. Three are two different concepts: absolute advantage and comparative advantage. Absolute advantage means producing more output using the same resource, sedangkan comparative advantage focus on producing goods with a lower opportunity cost. A country might be better at producing many products, but it can still benefit from trade by specializing in areas where it has the lowest opportunity cost. Benefit of trade. Trade provides many benefits. First, trade increases the variety of goods and services. Konsumen memiliki lebih banyak pilihan produk dari berbagai negara. Second, trade encourages competition. Perusahaan akan meningkatkan kualitas produk dan memberikan harga yang lebih baik. Third, trade promotes economic growth. Perdagangan membantu bisnis berkembang, meningkatkan produksi, dan menciptakan lapangan kerja. Finally, trade strengthens relationship between countries. In real-life example, Indonesia is one of the largest coffee product in the world. Negara seperti Amerika Serikat, Jepang, dan Jerman mengimpor kopi dari Indonesia. At the same time, Indonesia import computer, smartphone, and medical equipment. Melalui perdagangan ini, petani Indonesia mendapatkan pendapatan dari ekspor, sementara masyarakat mendapatkan teknologi modern. Both sides benefit from trade. Challenge of trade. Although trade provides many benefits, it also creates challenges. Perdagangan juga memiliki beberapa tantangan. Domestic business may face stronger competition from import products. Beberapa perusahaan lokal bisa mengalami kesulitan jika tidak mampu bersaing. Global events such as pandemic or natural disaster can also disrupt supply chains. Karena itu, pemerintah perlu membuat kebijakan agar bisnis tetap kompetitif dan pekerja tetap terlindungi. Why trade create prosperity? Economy believe that volunteer trade create benefit for everyone involved. Ketika orang melakukan perdagangan secara sukarela, kedua belah pihak mendapatkan keuntungan. Business can increase profit. Consumers get lower price and better product. Workers receive more job opportunity. That is one of reasons why many countries have improved their living standard. Conclusion. To conclude, interdependence means the people and country depend in each. To conclude, interdependence means that people and country depend on each other to produce goods and services. Trade allows specialization, improve productivity, and increase economy efficiently. Konsep comparative advantage menjelaskan bahwa setiap pihak dapat memperoleh keuntungan melalui perdagangan. Dengan memahami interdependence and the gains from trade, kita dapat melihat pentingnya kerjasama ekonomi global saat ini. Conclusion. To conclude, interdependence and trade are important part of the modern economy. Dalam kehidupan saat ini, tidak ada individu maupun negara yang dapat memenuhi semua kebutuhannya sendiri. Kita saling bergantung satu sama lain untuk mendapatkan berbagai barang dan jasa. seperti makanan, pakaian, teknologi, transportasi, dan kebutuhan lainnya. The situation shows that cooperation and exchange are necessary in economic activity. From this presentation, we have learned that interdependence occurs because people, business, and countries have different resources, skill, and ability. Setiap orang memiliki kelebihan masing-masing. Ada yang lebih dalam memiliki memproduksi makanan, ada yang ahli dalam teknologi, dan ada yang memiliki kemampuan dalam bidang jasa. Dengan adanya perbedaan tersebut, manusia dapat melakukan specialization and trade. Specialization allow individual and country to focus on what they can produce most efficiently. For example, a farmer focuses on producing agricultural product, while a technology company focuses on developing electronic device. Dengan fokus pada bidang masing-masing, produktivitas dapat meningkatkan dan hasil produksi menjadi lebih baik. Another important concept we learn is comparative advantage. Comparative advantage explains that a person or country specializes in producing goods that have the low opportunity cost. Artinya, meskipun suatu negara mungkin mampu memproduksi banyak jenis barang, negara tersebut akan mendapatkan keuntungan jika fokus pada produk yang paling efisien untuk mereka hasilkan. Through comparative advantage, countries can exchange goods and services and create benefit for both sides. Selain itu, trade also provides many advantages. Trade gives consumers more choice, improve product quality, encourage competition, and support economic growth. Melalui perdagangan, perusahaan dapat memperluas pasar, meningkatkan produksi, dan menciptakan lapangan pekerjaan. Bagi masyarakat, perdagangan memberikan akses terhadap berbagai produk yang mungkin tidak dapat diproduksi di dalam negeri. However, we also understand that trade has some challenge. Perdagangan internasional dapat meningkatkan persaingan antara perusahaan, dan beberapa industri mungkin mengalami kesulitan menghadapi produk dari luar negeri. Selain itu, gangguan seperti pandemi atau masalah rantai pasokan dalam mempengaruhi kegiatan perdagangan global. Therefore, governments need to create policies that support business, protect workers, and maintain economic stability. Overall, trade creates benefit because it allows people and countries to exchange what they produce best with what they need. When trade happens voluntarily, both sides usually gain because each party receives something that is more valuable to them. This is why economists believe that trade can improve living standards and create economic prosperity. Inclusion, interdependence teach us that no one can succeed completely alone. Through specialization, comparative advantage, and trade, individual and country can work together to achieve great benefit. Trade is not only about buying and selling products, but also about cooperation efficiently and building a relationship between economies. By understanding interdependence and the gain from trade, we can appreciate how connected the world economy is and know how important cooperation is our future growth. Thank you very much for your attention.